Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of data visualization. We'll explore different chart types and their subtypes, helping you understand which to use to best present your data. Before we start, subscribe to never miss a plot twist. Let's start with comparison charts. These are perfect for examining differences and similarities. Bar charts are straightforward and effective for categorical data. They use horizontal bars to compare quantities across different categories, ideal for viewing performance across different groups. The line charts are excellent for tracking changes over time, showing trends across continuous data, such as sales over the months. Column charts are cousins of bar charts, but use vertical bars. They're fantastic for comparing data across categories when timeline comparisons are needed. Less common but visually striking, circular area charts compare categorical data through the size of their areas, like a pie but with multiple circles. Moving on to distribution charts, which help us understand the underlying frequency distribution, spread of data. Histograms show the frequency of data points within certain ranges, perfect for statistical distributions. They are useful for interval data. Scatter plots map out data points on a horizontal and vertical axis, revealing patterns or clusters, illustrating the distribution and relationship between two variables. While visually appealing, 3D area charts are complex and best used when depth adds a necessary dimension to data. The composition charts used to show how different parts make up a whole. Stacked charts, including bar, column, or area, layer data to show the total and the contribution of each part. Pie charts are the most well-known for showing how a whole is divided into percentages by categories. They are not recommended when you have many categories or small differences in data. Waterfall charts are powerful for visualizing sequential cumulative effects, often used in financial analysis. Lastly, relationship charts help us see how variables interact. Again, scatter plots are fantastic for spotting correlations between two numerical variables. Bubble charts are useful for displaying three quantitative variables at once. Subscribe to be part of our next data expedition.